Hello, as we are in now, check. Yes, so this is what our last lecture, and what we have discussed is frequency response. Okay, let me draw a line that indicates we are done with those parts. Yes, we are done this in last lecture. It's a colorful line. Oh, that much is okay. Huh. So this is what, and see, I remember that we had a discussion about dB. So now here we will discuss about dB, decibel. Is it? It is actually what? Deci plus bell. Is it? I'll tell you what is the deci and what is that bell, where it started and everything. But before that, I want to tell you that this decibel is a logarithmic scale. It's a logarithmic scale. It means it started, the discussion started with a log scale. Log scale is something which is not changing linearly. Which is not changing linearly. For example, let me tell you that you imagine your ears, those are having logarithmic response. Is it? Hmm? Yes, those are having logarithmic response. Your ears, it's a log scale response. Is it? ये linear नहीं होता है. What does it mean? कि imagine करो कि there is a music system और उसके पास आप खड़े हो. Look at this. I hope you understand this example. You have to, because this is a, for example, 2000 watt music system. एक म्यूजिक सिस्टम है यहाँ पे. Is it? Boys might have known कि उनके पास क्या होता है, डॉल्बी होते हैं, 4 बेस वाला, 8 बेस, 10 बेस, 16, 32, 64, ऐसे बेस वाले जो डॉल्बी सिस्टम होते हैं ना. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट समथिंग लाइक दैट. सो नाउ आई एम हैविंग अ 2000 वैट का एक म्यूजिक सिस्टम है, उसके पास आप खड़े हो. लुक एट दिस, दिस इज यू. यस, दिस इज वन ऑफ माय स्टूडेंट. आप खड़े हो यहाँ पे, कहाँ पे? 2000 वैट का एक म्यूजिक सिस्टम है, वो जोर जोर से बज रहा है. इज इट? एंड यू आर लिसनिंग टू इट. यस, सुन रहे हो आप उसे. क्या किया फिर? आई हैव अ नॉब ओवर देयर. व्हाट आई एम डूइंग, आई एम इंक्रीजिंग द पावर ऑफ दिस म्यूजिक सिस्टम. ये 2000 वैट का है ना, तो मैंने अभी क्या कर दिया, उसको 4000 वैट का कर दिया. इमीडिएटली मैंने बढ़ाया. यहाँ से एक बटन है मेरे पास, एक नॉब है, एक स्विच है, जो आई एम रोटेटिंग दैट स्विच एंड आई एम इंक्रीजिंग द पावर, वैटेज पावर उसका इंक्रीज कर रहा हूँ. सो जैसे मैं वैटेज इसका इंक्रीज कर रहा हूँ, फ्रॉम 2 वैट टू 3 वैट टू 4 वैट टू 5 वैट 6 वैट, जैसे ये लीनियरली मैं इंक्रीज कर रहा हूँ, व्हाट यू थिंक, तुझे पहले 2 वैट का था, तब जितना सुनाई दे रहा है उससे डबल सुनाई देगा क्या 4 वैट में? यस. उसके ट्रिपल सुनाई देगा 6 वैट में. यस. उसके मल्टीप्लाई बाय 4 सुनाई देगा 8 वैट का, अगर मैं कर दूं तो 8 किलो वैट का. यस. होता है ऐसा? नहीं होता है. इज इट? क्यों नहीं होता है? क्योंकि ये जो तेरा कान है ना, दिस व्हाट आई एम टॉकिंग, इसका लॉग रिस्पॉन्स होता है. यस, दिस इज व्हाट लॉग रिस्पॉन्स इज. मतलब ये तो इनपुट तो लीनियरली चेंज हो रहा है, बट आउटपुट जो है वो लॉगरिथमिकली चेंज हो रहा है. यस, एंड दिस इज व्हाट नाउ. यस, it's not a best example, but it's quite good example what I can give you. Now we will discuss that log in detail. See, log means what? One thing I know, if I'm having equation mathematically, if a is equals to b raised to x, then what is x? X is equals to log of a to the base b. Yes, ये तो हम सबको पता है. This is what logarithm. Yes, this is what log scale. Is it? Now we will continue with the same example. I have a music system. Now look at this. Which pen? Yes, it is. let me settle here, that I have music system with power of 4 kilowatt or 4 watt, whatever. So this 4 kilowatt music system producing a sound level of 2, ये कुछ तो भी उसका level है, is it? It's just a input power and this is output level, I will say, is it? मैं उसको dB या ऐसा कुछ कोई यूनिट नहीं दे रहा हूं मैं इसको, आई एम नॉट गिविंग एनी यूनिट टू दैट, आई एम जस्ट सेइंग कि 4 किलोवाट म्यूजिक सिस्टम एक 2 का लेवल प्रोड्यूस कर रहा है, 2 का साउंड लेवल प्रोड्यूस कर रहा है, दैट्स व्हाट इज इट. एंड देन इफ आई इंक्रीज दैट, look at this, if I increase it to 16 किलोवाट, 4 वाट का हमारा म्यूजिक सिस्टम था, नॉइज लेवल और व्हाट आई कैन साउंड लेवल कितना प्रोड्यूस कर रहा है, 2 का, इज इट. अगर मैं उसको बढ़ाऊं, इफ आई इंक्रीज इट टू 16 किलोवाट, देन इसको कितना किया है, 4 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 4, मतलब 4 गुना उसको बढ़ा दिया. इफ आई मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 4, 4 गुना अगर मैं इनपुट पावर बढ़ाता हूं तो ऑब्वियसली आउटपुट भी कितना बढ़ना चाहिए, 4 गुना बढ़ना चाहिए. कितना होना चाहिए ये, 2 multiply by 4, it means it has to be 8. yes, theory तो यही कहता है, ऐसा ही होना चाहिए, that's what it has to be, because see I'm increasing the input power by factor of 4, so output level, output power or whatever output thinking you have, is it, has to be increased by this same factor. But ऐसा नहीं होता है, is it. What actually will happen is, if you make that music system for 4 to 16, then actually your ear will treat it as log of 16 to the base 4. कितना आता है, it is 2. It means कि वो जो आउटपुट का लेवल बढ़ेगा वो सिर्फ 2 से बढ़ेगा, is it. इट मीन्स अगर 14 को ये 2 देता है लेवल, तो 16 को कितना देगा, 4 देगा. क्यों, क्योंकि ये मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 ओनली, एंड दिस इज मैजिक ऑफ योर लॉग स्केल. मतलब हो क्या रहा है, व्हाट इज हैपनिंग बेसिकली, इट इज जस्ट रिड्यूसिंग द स्केल, इज इट. स्केल रिड्यूस होता है, इज इट. एंड दैट इज द रीजन कि म्यूजिक सिस्टम कितना भी लाउड हो, ये तेरा इमीडिएटली फटता नहीं है, is it. It will take a lot of time, is it. Same music system अगर आप 10-15 दिन या फिर 1 महीना सुनो, तब आपके कान डैमेज होने शुरू हो जाते हैं, इमीडिएटली डैमेज नहीं होता है, is it. Because it has a log scale. ये हाई पास है, ये लो पास है, is it. It depends on the direction. It can, this will work as low pass, that can work as a high pass. लेकिन ये दोनों हाई पास और लो पास ही है, and those are giving logarithmic scale, log response दे रहे वो लोग, is it. So this is basically an effect of log scale, is it. It means now come to the technical point of view. अगर मैं calculate कर रहा हूँ gain, if I am calculating gain, gain means we are in voltage amplifiers. So before that let's calculate power gain. So if I am calculating power gain, so let me give it a notation of gain of power, GP. Yes, now what is that GP? It is nothing but output power P out divided by input power P in. What some people can write P2 divided by P1. ऐसा भी लिखते हैं. It's a power gain basically. So that's what I want to mean it. It's just a power gain, is it? Now if, see why I have taken power gain, because see I am telling you an example of 4 kilowatt, 16 kilowatt, is it. So that's why as we started with the discussion with the power, so I am taking example of power. Otherwise I can take example of voltage also, is it. But you generally never treat a music system with voltage and something, is it. We rate it, but we never say it or specify it with the voltage. We specify always with the power. So power rating से हम specify करते हैं उसको. So that's why I'm taking power, that is P out divided by P in, that is P2 divided by P1, whatever notation. Is it? Now, if I want to convert it in dB, is it? ये जो power gain है ना, voltage gain को हमने convert कर दिया था. Like this, I will convert the power gain into dB. Why I am converting it? Because the scale, look at this, scale is not sufficient. Scale sufficient तो है नहीं. Is it? I said ये log है, इसीलिए sufficient है. Is it? If linear होता तो sufficient होता है क्या? No, no, obviously not. So if scale is not sufficient, then convert it into log scale. So how to convert it into log scale? Simple. This gain or power gain is equals to then log of P2 divided by P1. Yes, convert कर दिया हमने. Is it? So when they started converting a power gain into log scale, that's what they had. उनको क्या करना था? बस एक log scale में gain को convert करना था. Why they want to convert? Because they want to reduce the scale. उनको scale reduce करना था. इसलिए क्या किया उन्होंने? They started converting linear gain into logarithmic scale. तो ये log हो गया. Then they give, they means I'm talking about researchers who find out. Is it? Scientist basically. ये वो लोग है जो साइंटिस्ट है जिन्होंने ये गेन डीबी सबका इन्वेंशन किया था. स्पेसिफिकली आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द ग्राहम बेल. इज इट? यू विल कम टू नो व्हाई आई टेक दैट पर्टिकुलर नेम. नाउ लुक एट दिस. दिस इज लॉग स्केल और उसको यूनिट दे हैव असाइन्ड इट एज बेल. उसको यूनिट क्या दिया उन्होंने? बेल दिया. नाउ व्हाई दे हैव गिवन यूनिट एज अ बेल? बिकॉज ग्राहम बेल, Alexander Graham Bell is the person who converted linear scale into log scale. उन्होंने पहले linear scale को log scale में convert कर दिया था. कैसे convert किया? Multiplying by log. उसका log ले लिया. जो कुछ भी रेशियो है आपका, for example P out divided by P in, जो रेशियो है गेन का उसको उन्होंने log, उसका log लिया. That's why उसका log लिया तो उसको यूनिट भी देना चाहिए. They have given unit as Bell. बस उसका यूनिट क्या हो गया? Bell. Now, I hope you remember, you know that Alexander Graham Bell who invented telephone line actually, is it? Telephone line चा शोध लाया था नहीं? उन्होंने टेलीफोन लाइन का इन्वेंशन किया था. Is it? टेलीफोन लाइन तो लॉगरिथमिक है fully. Is it? When actually they started working on telephone, they started on linear scale. Is it? You remember Mr. Hello, Mr. Watson, are you there? Was the first sentence by Graham Bell. Is it? So what was the first word? Look at this. Hello, Mr. Watson. Watson was his colleague. Are you there? Was the first sentence on which is transmitted on a telephone line. Then the first word which is transmitted on telephone line was hello. Is it? So that's why, as a tradition, or maybe just to give a token of respect to Mr. Bell, generally even we also, when you receive a phone, we say hello. That's what the actual history. Right? It's not a technical thing, but generally we say whenever I call you or you call me, what we say? Hello. Yes. Why we say hello? Because that was the first word spoken on telephone line by Alexander Graham Bell. Right? So what was the purpose? The purpose is to reduce the scale. Scale क्यों reduce करना चाहते थे वो? Because they want to reduce the telephone line. उनको line reduce करना था actually. Length was too large. उसको length reduce करना था. Then he converted और he invented a log scale. क्या किया उन्होंने? जो कुछ भी रेशियो था गेन का उसका log ले लिया. तो उसको यूनिट क्या दिया उन्होंने? Bell. Bell was the unit. Is it? But after that he realized that taking log is not sufficient. उनको लगा कि ये sufficient नहीं है. Just एक रेशियो है अपने पास, that is gain power, output power divided by input power. That is not, ये large हो रहा है quantity, उसको reduce करो. कैसे किया? log ले लिया उसका. But see, उसका log लेने के बाद then again they realize कि that is also not sufficient. Is it? उनको लगा कि ये sufficient नहीं है. they couldn't transmit a actual signal. We are not going or we are not entering into the transmission in detail, but see what they realize कि ये जो कुछ भी वो कर रहे हैं वो sufficient नहीं है, is it? So उन्होंने क्या किया? Then they started multiplying it with 10. Is it? जो कुछ भी है उनके पास उन्होंने उससे 10 से मल्टीप्लाई किया. Is it? So ये क्या हो गया बेसिकली 10 log of P2 divided by P1. Is it? Then obviously अब उसको 10 से मल्टीप्लाई किया. Is it? What do you mean by the 10? You know the number system? Binary, hex. Is it? Binary means what? With the number with the base of 2. Hex means number with the base of 16. Now what is the number with the base 10? It is decimal. So that's why they have given the name as deci. From where this deci comes? By this multiplication factor. Is it? So जो bell था actually, bell means क्या था? ये वाला bell था ना? This is what bell. So bell को उन्होंने deci से multiply किया और वो क्या हुआ? decibel. तो इसका short उन्होंने क्या कर दिया? छोटा सा d और बड़ा वाला b. So that's why it is always written in this format. Small d and capital B. Don't write at capital D and capital B. No, it is completely wrong. Even small d, no, that is also wrong. The correct notation is this. Small d and capital B. Because bell was invented first. Is it? That is taking log. Multiplying by 10 is the next part. So that's why it is decibel. Now what is my power gain? My power gain becomes now is equals to 10 log of P2 divided by P1 dB. This is what my power gain is. But see, as if now this is what the power gain, this is what actually dB scale or actually log scale. Now what I am going to do is I am going to use this log scale in my application. Now what is my application? My application is C amplifier. C amplifier. I told you that. Anyhow, you stick to C amplifier. C amplifier से stick रहना because we are going to discuss the frequency response of C amplifiers throughout the chapters. Now C amplifier से हमें इसको correlate कैसे करते हैं? I will correlate. Let us correlate with voltage gain. Why? Because as if I am studying C amplifier, the main parameter for me is voltage gain. Is it? And but हमारे पास तो voltage gain है नहीं. What we have is a power gain. Is it? Now we know that power gain. Power means what? Power means voltage square divided by resistance. Yes, that's what it is. Power means voltage divided by resistance. So if I am saying that power gain is equals to what's the equation? It is 10 log of P2 divided by P1. P2 means what? Output power. P1 means what? Input power. And what is the unit then? It is dB. Yes, that's what it is. Now I want a voltage gain. So voltage gain, I will use the same notation. It is gain voltage gain. Is it? Or else use our old notation AV, no problem. Is it? It was a power gain, so I have written G. If you want to relate with the last chapter, then you can use AV, no problem. Both are same. Is it? Just notation is different. तो अभी हमें क्या करना है? This power has to be converted into voltage form. So I will use this equation. So now it will be 10 log of. Now what will be the equation for P2? It will be V2. V2 means output voltage. V2 square divided by R divided by V1 square divided by R. Now what is that V1 and V2? So obviously V1 is input voltage and V2 is output voltage. Is it? So then it will be, if I simplify and if I consider that resistance is the same, that is it is line with fully matched line, then I can write V2 divided by V1 bracket square. I'm neglecting resistances as I'm considering value of resistance is 1 or unit resistance. Is it ideal assumption, unit resistance? So now this is what voltage gain, which is in dB, 10 log of V2 divided by V1 raised to 2. So it means I further simplify this. ये 2 क्या होगा यहाँ पे multiply होगा ना, so it will be 20 log of V2 divided by V1. That is what my dB scale, AV in dB. Yes, and this is what the equation I have to use in voltage amplifiers. Now look at the equation, 20 log of V2 divided by V1. And now we'll go in the previous lecture. Previous lecture में हमने कहा था कि yes, look at this, 20 log of, okay, let me change the pen. It is what, 20 log of VO by Vin. VO means V2, Vin means V1. That is input and output voltage. That's why in the last lecture I told you that just write V2 by V1 or VO by Vin, because in next lecture I'll tell you about what is dB and what is the actual concept. So this is what actual concept, why I am taking 20 log of V2 by V1. If it is a power, look at this, if it is a power, then it must be 10 log of P2 divided by P1. But if it is a voltage, then we have to write 20 log of P2 divided by P1. Is it? And now, as the major part or the important part of our chapter is this frequency response. Now let me draw the frequency response. Look at this. This is a frequency response and the gain decreases. What is there on x-axis? There is a frequency. And what is there on y-axis? Now compulsorily there must be a voltage gain which is expressed in dB. Is it? And whatever maximum gain is there in dB, then we have to draw a line from maximum minus 3. It means here I will write AV max minus 3. Yes, this is the point where AV max minus 3. And then where it cuts to the x-axis, this is what my higher cutoff frequency and this is what my lower cutoff frequency. And the difference is obviously, as I said, it is called bandwidth. You remember in the last lecture. Is it? So then look at this. This is somewhere I will say this part is nothing but, okay, let me change the pen. So this part is what? This is gain at lower frequencies. Is it? This part is nothing but gain at higher frequencies. And this part is nothing but gain at mid frequencies. See, I have divided the frequency response graph into 3 parts. First part is gain at lower frequencies, second part is gain at mid frequencies, third part is gain at higher frequencies. See, I have divided it. Now, see, gain at lower frequencies, yes, it is decreasing. Gain at higher frequencies, yes, it is decreasing. But gain at mid frequencies, yes, it is constant everywhere. So every time the useful gain is always gain at mid frequencies. Is it? Mid frequencies. Now those frequencies, that is FL and FH, are cutoff frequencies. Let me write it here. FL and are called cut-off frequencies. Is it? Also, they are called half power frequencies. Now, I'll explain this half power frequency. Half power frequency is what? It means at those frequencies, the amplitude or the magnitude of gain is if it is power gain basically. See, Did I miss something? Half power frequencies. Means at those frequencies, power is half of its maximum. मतलब जितना पावर आपको मैक्सिमम मिलता है उससे एग्जैक्टली 50% पावर आपको इन दो पॉइंट्स पे मिलेगा. दैट्स व्हाट इट इज. यहाँ पे और यहाँ पे इज इट एग्जैक्टली 50% पावर आपको मिलेगा. सो दैट्स वाई दोज पावर्स, सो दोज फ्रीक्वेंसीज आर कॉल्ड हाफ पावर फ्रीक्वेंसीज ऑल्सो, इज इट. एंड व्हाट इज द स्केल? इट इज -3 dB. So -3 dB frequencies are half power frequencies. Yes, those are half power frequencies. You always remember those levels. -3 dB, it means it is 0.707 on a linear scale, is it? So this is all about dB. And next chapter we can actually start with the actual findings in the chapter. Actual findings means why we are discussing everything, is it? Or what's the reason we have discussed these 2 lectures we wasted, and the reason or the conclusion, or what I can say, the findings can be started with those reference, right? So it's all about dB and all. In next lecture we will start with something or some conclusive findings. Thank you.